This video shows you exactly how to professionally edit any PDF document. Now, guess what? You can also do this editing with your mobile phone, and you can also do it with your laptop. So if you are someone who has been searching for that one pure guide that would help you edit any PDF document, this right here is the content for you. Let's jump right into my computer screen where I'll show you exactly how to professionally edit any PDF document from start to finish. In order not to leave any stone unturned, I'll be showing you exactly how to edit two types of documents. This is a PDF document with just text, as you can see here, and we'll also be showing you how to edit a PDF document that has images. This is a company profile of a company, and let's say you want to edit an image on the profile, want to edit a text, want to even edit a signature on any document at all. I'll be showing you exactly how to get that done right now. So first, let's start with this document that just carries text. How can we edit this text-based PDF document? We will actually be using a tool called Canva. Now remember I told you that you can actually get this editing done on your mobile phone, and also you can get it done on your laptop. So all you just need to do is head onto the Canva website, which is what canva.com. Please, it's important you watch the steps that I'm using for this editing so you see exactly how it is done. So we go over to canva.com. If you have an account already on Canva, you can just click on login. If you do not have an account, just click on sign up. So I'll be clicking on sign up and I'll click on continue with Google. So I'll continue with an already existing Google account, click on this account, and then we move on to what? Continue and accept. So signing up on Canva is as easy as you have just seen me do right now on my screen. Extremely easy. Now, after signing up, you'll see this pop-up. Just click on any of these, let's say personal, and then you can now decide to skip all of these personalizations. After this, you have successfully created your free Canva account. I'm doing this from scratch so you can see that you really do not need to make any payments to get this done. Now, what is the next thing that you need to do? The next thing you need to do is to do what? Come over to this upload button here, click on upload, and then you upload the PDF file that you want to actually edit. So I will now go over and upload that text-based PDF document. You can see how I'll get that editing done immediately. I'll come over here, click on upload files, and then I would locate that file here. I click on open, and immediately the file will be uploaded to my recent design sections. After uploading, I click on this. Once I click on it, it opens up the editor that helps me edit this document as it were. So what has this tool done for me? It has helped me open up this document in a way that I can edit every aspect of it. Take for example, I want to edit this title. You can see this is the title. I can remove this and put in whatever it is that I want to type in here. You can see I can type anything I want to type here. I'm editing this text-based document. Now let me go back, Ctrl Z, and see what if I want to change the color of this text. Click on this, you can see all the regular formatting options that we have on the Microsoft Word document, as it were. Click on this, I can now decide to change the color of the text of this document from this to, let's say, this, or let's say red, and the text color have changed. So you can see that this tool has basically helped us edit this PDF document that may be a challenge for us to edit initially. You can see it has also segmented all of the paragraphs in a way that I can edit them. So I want to edit this, I can take this off and write in anything that I want to write here. I scroll down, I can edit this other section, go down edit section, and the rest of them. So this is basically how you actually edit a text-based document. Now stay around in this video and I'm going to show you exactly how to download this video in a format that it will come out exactly as you exported it. Yes, it will come out in the same PDF file. Stick around in a moment, I'll show you exactly how to do that. But first, let us go back and edit that image-based PDF document. So you can see exactly how to edit images and not just text. So what would I do? I'll go back to the Canva homepage and I'll go back and I'll click on upload again. I click on upload and then I would identify the file that I want to edit again, which is what? The image-based PDF document. Click on upload. locate the file, and I click on open. So after clicking on open, you can see exactly here that it's opening up the file just as it did the previous time when we actually edited the first document. I'm sure you're getting value already from this video. Please, while this document is loading up, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and ensure that you drop your comments in the comment section below telling me if you are actually enjoying this information I'm giving to you. Come on, the file I finished uploading. Let's head on and edit this image-based PDF document. So I'll click on this document. Automatically, it's going to open up the editor for me. Now, after opening this information, you can see this PDF document that is a company profile that has both images and text has been opened up. Now, you would also see that it has separated all the images from the document itself. So take, for example, I want to change this image we have here. Just click on the image here, and then I go over to upload section. I can upload any image I want to bring in, or go over to the element section and search for any image I want to bring in. Let me say I want to search for construction worker. In this case, I hit enter and I go over to photos, click on see all photos. Now over here, you are going to see that it has brought up images that I can use. I'll just drag this image from here and I'll put the image right on top of this place here. Now after putting the image here, I can decide to send the position of this image to the back so that effect can come up that we have right here. Guys, can you see that we have successfully changed the image that we had on this PDF document as easy as that? The same thing can be done for any image you have on this website. Let's say I want to change this image, let's drag this image and put this image here. It is as easy as that. Come on, editing PDF document has never been this easy, I must tell you. And I'm very, very happy that you are excited. You have gotten this information on how you can edit any PDF document at all. Now, what if you actually have a signature that you actually want to upload, a signature you want to add to a document? It is extremely easy. All you need to do is what? Go over to this tools section. You can use this draw section to actually do what? Sign your signature on what? On the document. Yes, as easy as that. You can see I've just done that. Now, how about if you are editing this document for someone and the person have just snapped their signature on a paper and sent to you? All you need to do is do what? Go over to the upload section, upload the image that they have sent to you, which is the signature they've sent to you. Upload the file and you drag and drop it right where you want it to be on the document. Guys, the beauty part of this is that you really do not need to pay any money for you to get this editing done. Come on. Are you happy I've given you this information on how you can edit any PDF document at all? If you know you are happy about it, go down there to the comment section and say thank you so much for this information. And I assure you I have so many other amazing updates to drop for you right here on this YouTube channel. And what else? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe so you can see more amazing videos that will be given to you that will make your life so easy. Yes, remember we said, let me show you how you will now download this new edited PDF document. How can you do that? Go over to this share button up here, come here and click on download. After clicking on download, you will see this PDF standard here. Click on it and then click on download. Immediately after clicking download, you would now be able to see this downloaded PDF document right there on your computer or your mobile phone. Yes, we are now doing this with our computer. Can we still achieve this same result with a mobile phone? Yes. Now go over to your mobile phone, open canva.com, sign up the way I did at the beginning of this video, and then upload your files exactly how I've also uploaded my files. So now our file is what? Downloading. I'm sure you would like to see the finished result of what we have just edited right here on this canva.com. So as you see, this file has completed the downloading process. So now let's click on this so we can preview what we have done so you can see exactly those images that have been edited. So here's the PDF document. Here is it, PDF document. You can see the image that we changed here. If you go over here, you are going to see the signature that we just added on that page. Here, the signature we just added. So guys, I have just given you a step-by-step guide on how you can professionally edit any PDF document. Are you happy I've given you this information? Come on. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and most importantly, share this video so many other persons who are looking for how to edit PDF documents for free can get this update and get it edited. Come on, tell me, what document would you like to edit first? Would you like to edit a school project, an agreement, whatever it is? Tell me in the comment section below. Let's start up a conversation. And also, a whole lot of amazing videos will be popping up on your screen right now. Ensure you watch those videos because they have amazing tutorials that will blow your mind. I'll see you in our next video.